Hi, today I am continuing with the dining set. I will be showing you how I made the chairs. I will post part 1 for the table in the description box. Now I've already cut out my chair pieces to save some time. I used coffee stirrers for the back chair supports. These are 2.9 centimeters long and you'll need 3 per chair. The back legs I used strip wood from the range. It is approximately 3 by 3 millimeters, and these are 7.9 centimeters long. You'll need 2 for each chair. The back seat supports I used lollipop sticks. I cut them at 2.9 centimeters by 0.6 centimeters in width. Next is the side seat supports. I used a lolly stick for these as well. They are 3.1 centimeters by 0.6. On the chair back pieces we are going to draw a rounded shape. You can make a template if you wish. I'm doing mine freehand. Cut out the shape by carefully scoring first with a craft knife and then cut carefully bit by bit. Make sure your knife is sharp and be careful of your fingers. Slow and steady wins this race. Double check your measurements and lightly sand. When you're sanding a straight edge, make sure you sand in the same direction. Now using a ruler and a pencil, you need to mark where the chair back pieces will go onto our back chair legs. Mark out 0.7, 2.1, 3.5, 5 and 7.1. Make sure to note the letter T above the 0.7 mark to mark the top of the leg. We need to make sure the bottom of our back chair pieces sit above the lines we have just made. Now, glue the pieces. Start with one side first. I'm using an old coffee stirrer to support my pieces as I glue them. Apply glue using a cocktail stick or a coffee stirrer. Now the other side. Line up your pieces and use your craft mat to ensure it is straight. I'm just checking my side seat supports. Now, glue in the back seat support as well as the side seat supports. We also need a back foot support. I used a matchstick and I cut it to 2.9 centimeters. As you can see, I also added side foot rests. These I also cut from matchsticks, and these are 3.1 centimeters long. Leave to dry. Now assemble the front legs. These are 3.55 centimeters long or 35.5 millimeters, using the same strip wood as I used for the back chair legs. The front seat support is 2.9 by 0.6 centimeters, and the front footrest is from a narrow coffee stirrer at 2.9 centimeters long. Make a mark at 0.6 centimeters upon the chair leg where the front footrest lays above the line. Glue into place. Again, using your craft mat to make sure it's square. Once dry, we're going to attach the back of the chair. Now you may need to move the pieces around slightly for a good fit. And again, make sure it is square. Now for the seat, cut 3.8 by 3.5 centimeters. I reused some scrap wood that I had laying around, and it should be approximately 2.5 millimeters thick. Here I'm marking where the back chair legs are, so my seat will slot into the chair frame. It is approximately 3 millimeters square. Remember to cut against the grain first to avoid any splits in your wood. Now I'm not going to glue this until I've painted the chair, but as you can see, here is our first chair. Only 3 more to go. In the next video I will be painting and staining. Thank you for watching. Until next time, take care.